We're here tonight at the Chef's Night Out 2019. We're here to celebrate 20 years of Tŷ Hafan. Last year they raised an amazing £120,000, so we hope we can do that and maybe a bit more this year.
Now there are nights and then there are Chef's Night Out. Now whether this is your first time or whether you've been before, I just want to extend a genuinely warm welcome to what is a unique event. There's nothing quite like it actually, certainly not in Wales, and it's one of those events that just stands out.
Very kindly said that his friends are going to match his £10,000 bid for Richard Davis. Richard has very kindly offered to do a second dinner. It's beyond our wildest dreams.
£10, 20, sold £20,000, absolutely fantastic.
It's a great celebration for Tŷ Hafan to start its 20th year.